After completing this short but very important section, you will be able to identify how Ecdis gives sensor integrity information. One of the most important parts of electronic navigation is to know that the display position has integrity. This means that it is trustworthy and will not mislead an observer. We want you to use Ecdis safely and be able to tell when there is a problem, particularly with a connected navigational sensor. Let's take a look at the position information panel. When the sensor label is hovered over, you can see integrity information on the data coming from the sensor. Here, we see that the sensor is safe with the display text message. If this text message is shown, there is no integrity information available. There is also a color warning and a change of sensor identification when a position sensor fails and dead reckoning is used for the position sensor input. Values can be entered to enable the DR position to update. For all sensors, the following integrity information is displayed if available. In addition, the following integrity information specific for a sensor will be displayed. In the Ecdis Setup utility, there is a tab showing the NMEA inputs. Here we see the number of connected sensors and information as to how they are set up. There are both input and output tabs. A useful way to confirm that a sensor is connected and sending information is to press the Test button. The NMEA message appears, showing the type of transmitted message and the information that it contains. The same information can be obtained with Ecdis running. This installation has two GPS receivers feeding it, and either one can be made the primary positioning device. If desired, both the primary or secondary positions can be shown on the chart display. It could be that on the vessel bridge there is a switch to select GPS 1 or 2. You also need to know what happens on your vessel if a GPS receiver fails or goes outside set values. Let's take a moment to look back on the key points covered in this section. One of the most important aspects of Ecdis is not to be misled by an incorrect position. This may occur when the positioning sensor has an error and there is no integrity. This is why we have provided the operator with some integrity information.